Hello, it's Sasha. I'm back and I have an exciting update for you. Around May of last year, I posted a video where I said I was taking a break from YouTube. I stopped posting videos on here for a while so I could focus my efforts on Instagram. This really helped me to work on my makeup techniques, and I was still making tutorials, but they were just shorter and set to music. But after several months, I've been getting some requests for longer tutorials again, and so I want to share them with you on YouTube. So if you're wondering if I'm back, the answer is yes. I'm still going to be posting several times a week on Instagram, and that'll be my main focus, but I do want to start providing regular, longer videos for you here on YouTube as well. My goal is to post at least once or twice a month, and if there's more demand for it, I can definitely ramp it up again. So that's the short version. If you've been a subscriber with me this long, thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm so excited to be back. If you're curious, I want to explain a little bit more about what's happened, including this exciting studio. One of my favorite things that happened last year was that I was finally able to get this, which is a more permanent studio setup. I have my own backdrops mounted to the wall now, and I don't have to take down my lights every time I shoot. I created a studio tour for this, so let me know in the comments if you'd like to see my setup. I've also expanded into TikTok and recently into Pinterest as well. I'll put all those links in the description box, so if you are on those platforms, I'd love to connect with you. So one of my favorite things I discovered last year was how to make a makeup transition video. I'll put a little clip here, but basically I do a little dance and I transform my makeup in time to music. These are a lot of fun to make, but they're very time consuming, and so that typically takes most of my focus during the week. That's what I've been most excited about making lately, but since I've had a lot of people asking for tutorials, I want to make sure that I'm able to create those for you as well. In my last video, when I talked about taking a break, one of the main factors was that COVID happened and a lot of people are working from home, including my husband. That situation has not changed, and so I still don't have as much time to film in a quiet environment as I used to. It's possible that people will start going back into their offices at some point this year, but we don't really know for sure. So until that point, it's going to be a little bit harder for me to film videos with VO. Now that I'm filming stuff for YouTube again, please let me know if there's anything that you're interested in seeing. Over this past year, I purchased a lot of eyeshadow palettes especially, so if there's anything recent that you want to see a tutorial for, please let me know in the comments. I'd also like to know what you're most excited about in those tutorials, if you just want to see an eyeshadow look, if you want to see a full face, if you like swatches or comparisons or any of that. Thank you so much for sticking with me through my break. I'm so excited to be back and creating videos for YouTube again. I wish you all the best in 2021, and I'll see you in my next video.